The venture capital community, not only is it broken for the people trying to get into it with the new technology, it's also broken for the people that are setting up the venture capital funds. That 9 out of 10 deals that they put money into collapse. So they realistically make money off of $1.20. And they make enough money off that $1.20 to keep themselves going and to keep looking. Every now and then they get a Google. Every now and then they get an Amazon. Every now and then they get a Solar City, and they invest early in something that's kind of a up-and-comer and does something really successful, and they make enough money off of that to support the rest of their operations. If there was a way that they could double, triple, quadruple their success rates in a clean tech field, they'd be all over it. If you actually bring these technologies through, you develop the comparison methodology and a target. So a way that they can, as their prototype is being developed, now you know you can compare it to the big field. Okay, you're the best, or you're almost the best. And we can build enough of it so that we can deploy it so they can get a whole history. Here's where it would be graded on our scale. And so when they're dealing with the venture capital community at this point, you know, they have a very big bargaining chip. They can come in and say, look, here's what our technology produces. Here's how the performance. Here's the cost analysis moving forward. Here's the profit. So now a venture capital company can come in for a much smaller dollar, get a realistic piece of the company, and both of them can go forward very successfully together with those who are impassioned about the project, still in charge, with those who expect a good and healthy return, pretty assured that that's going to happen, and that they're going to have a couple seats on the board to help that happen. Because, and how all this comes into play and helps the United States is because competing against China on China's terms will never get us anywhere. The way that we can win this and do this effectively is to out-innovate and to be really liquid and fast in our innovation. That we can continually come out with next-gen stuff, major next-gen stuff, every 2 years. There's no time for them to build these monster fabs to attack that segment because everybody's going to want the most efficient and the best product.